Cable steering on the X3 doesn't take a whole lot of effort. MotorGuide went to a dual cable setup and then added VRS, variable ratio steering, which helps eliminate torque steer and just improves the overall handling, turning around docks and just anywhere when you're fishing. The bow mount on the X3 is rather quiet. I ain't had any major squeaks or pops or anything like that. It's been a really good mount. The composite locking pins was a great idea. The old metal steel pins used to jam a lot and the whole unit would be stuck. You have to put your foot on it, push down, then pull, and then pick up. The composite locking pins is a really good thing. It's a good trolling motor, affordable, easy to use, and it's done what I needed it to do. It's a great motor. It's the shaft door, and unlocks the shaft for the mount. Composite shaft, won't bend. MotorGuide container prop came with this one. The X3 uses a dual cable setup. There's a cable in the front, a cable in the back, a pulley and another pulley. It doesn't use the old rack and pinion style like the earlier MotorGuides used. It has a constant on, an off, and a pedal switch. Then you have your momentary off and on pedal switch. And you have 1 through 5 step switch.